nucleus in history. When science studies different elements, they noticed that they were made up of main particles called the atom. Atom consists of main particles, represented by nucleus, and the nucleus is axis around which the nuclear chemistry. The nucleus in history, Rutherford introduced his perception that protons wait in a tiny area at the center of the atom called the nucleus, which contains most of the mass of the atom, and that electrons circle around the nucleus. Planetary asteroidal model. The electron rotates around the nucleus in a virus orbit, with the varying distance from the nucleus is the case of the planet rotating around the Sun. Nucleus. Nucleus contains of protons and neutrons. Protons are tiny particles. These are positively charged, shown with the positive P, and it is the regions of positive charge of the atom. Neutrons, they are neutral particles, and shown with the neutral N. Why the atom electrically neutral? Because of amount of positive charge in an atom is equal amount of negative charge of atom. Electrons are negatively charged, shown with negative E, and they turn around the nucleus at a great speed. Let's look at the video.
It was during the early decades of the 19th century that the structure of atoms was coming into focus. It was known, for example, that a hydrogen atom contained one proton and one electron. But the scientists of the time could think of no stable arrangement of the two particles. It was known that a proton and any atom were grouped in a small central region called the nucleus, and that the electrons were somehow arranged in comparatively large distances outside the nucleus. But in hydrogen, if the electron were stationary, it would fall into the nucleus, since the charges on the particles would cause them to attract one another. Yet the electron couldn't be in orbit circling the nucleus either. Circular motion requires consistent acceleration of circling body to keep it from flying away. But the electron has charge, and charged particles radiate light when they are accelerating. So an electron in a circular orbit would radiate light and would spiral into the nucleus.
The number of nucleons in an atom is equal to the sum of protons and neutrons. This is named as a mass number, shown with the A. The number of protons in an atom is called as atomic number and shown with the Z.